For me, FritsJurgens appeared the most in the way that I think this is a matching product for this house, in the quality and the design, and also you could see how detailed you guys work on everything. My name is Lars Triesch and I'm a vintage furniture dealer since 2010, living in Berlin with my family, wife and 2 kids and my dog. Since I was 18, I was constantly busy with design furniture and architecture. And for me, it was always challenging and more interesting to find the hidden little things and not always the big names, because everybody is hunting for the big names. And it's always nice to recognize quality and design. You are now visiting the Ray Cappy house in Kleinmachnow, which is the only house from Ray Cappy outside of the United States. And this is a project that I was busy with for the last, I don't know, 6 years maybe. With Ray Cappy's houses, I always thought like it has a coziness and an aliveness, not like this minimalist, empty, also unpersonal spaces where you cannot say anything about the person who lives there because there's nothing personal to it. And the Ray Cappy houses were always more the warmth of the wood and the materials is for me was the one that, okay, it can be modern and still be cozy and family house. When I went to Ray Cappy, I told him that he should take his house as an inspiration for our house. So the surfaces, the materials are basically the same as in Ray Cappy's house. Because his house was the only house where he could do what he wanted, and this is, I think, why it's so strong. And I gave him the same freedom. I chose FritsJurgens because I was stunned by some of the videos that they were showing, like these amazing giant doors with this little, really small piece that they engineered, which is amazing. And for sure with the outdoors, especially if you want to have big doors and high doors and heavy doors, you can really play with this material. Everything is so well designed and you can see the quality. It's really, really great.